Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, our mission is unpacking the specs and the real user reviews for the Oral-B Pro 1000 rechargeable electric toothbrush. We really want to see if it actually justifies its $49.94 price tag.
Right, yeah.
And just as a quick heads up, the product buy link is available in pinned comment and description, so please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe right in the flow of the video today.
We definitely have, the data to back this deep dive up, too. I mean, we are looking at a massive 78,925 ratings.
Wow, that is a ton of reviews.
It is, and they're averaging an impressive 4.6 stars.
Yeah.
So today we are promising you a balanced look at both its dentist-level cleaning power and its hidden frustrating flaws. It's just a fascinating case study in what you get.
And what you sacrifice, right.
Exactly. When a brand tries to pack premium performance into a budget-friendly package...
Well, let's start with that premium performance. The core specs are pretty aggressive. You've got 3 cleaning modes, a 30-second quadrant timer to keep you moving, and this round brush head that claims to remove 300% more plaque at the gum line than a manual brush.
Yeah, that 300% claim is wild.
So, okay, let's unpack this. Is using this round, oscillating brush head basically like putting a miniature auto detailer's polishing buffer inside your mouth?
Honestly, yeah. It's aggressive, but that's actually the whole point.
Yeah.
The circular oscillation doesn't just, sweep debris away. The bristles physically break up the plaque structure at the gum line.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. There's a specific review from a user going by Victor Von Doom.
Great name.
Right. He actually pointed out that his dentist recommended this exact model. And it's because that specific circular motion perfectly mimics the tools they used in a professional dental cleaning.
Okay, so the cleaning power is legitimately professional grade. But I guess this is where the budget compromises start to show up, right?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Because with a motor that powerful, safety is crucial. And Oral-B advertises a pressure sensor meant to protect your gums. But looking at the critical user warnings, that sensor is just a wimpy vibration while the bristles keep right on grinding.
Yep, it just keeps going.
Wait, so does this safety feature actually give you a false sense of security while you accidentally cause gum recession?
It really does. And I can explain why that matters for the listener. It really comes down to the muscle memory we carry over from manual brushing.
Right.
People tend to scrub hard, like they're trying to get grout at a bathroom tile. But with a motor this strong, you have to completely unlearn those habits. You just gently let the device hover.
But they don't give you a mechanical switch to stop you?
Exactly. Building a true mechanical kill switch, one that physically stops the motor when you press too hard, is expensive. So to keep it under $50, they opted for a basic vibration alert. If you ignore it, the brush won't step in to save your gums.
Man, that powerful motor is clearly writing checks the safety hardware can't cash. And speaking of hardware, let's talk about the Achilles heel. The biggest recurring complaint we found was the battery.
Oh yeah, the battery longevity.
Right, because the clean is great at first, but multiple users report the device completely dying or failing to hold a charge after just 4 to 6 months of use.
Yeah, and here is the underlying mechanism behind why that happens. Again, it comes down to the price point. Instead of using a modern lithium-ion battery like you'd find in a premium smartphone.
They use something cheaper.
Exactly. Models at this entry tier often rely on older NameH or nickel metal hydride battery chemistries.
Oh, okay, I see where this is going. I'm guessing people treat them like modern lithium-ion batteries. They use the brush and then immediately drop it back onto the charging base every single morning.
Spot on. Leaving an older NameH battery constantly on a trickle charger degrades the cell's capacity incredibly fast.
Ouch.
So the very habit that keeps the brush convenient for the user is what ends up permanently frying the battery within a few short months.
Wow. It's the ultimate trade-off between hitting a low price point and maintaining long-term quality.
It really is.
Yeah.
Which leaves you with a final question to ponder today. In the rapidly growing world of budget-friendly smart gadgets, are we simply accepting that we must trade long-term battery reliability for short-term premium performance?
You've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel, where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below and press bell icon for future videos notifications. You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more useful gadgets. One product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.